next, what to consider when you require legal services.
It's something we don't like to think about, but we have to. Estate planning is essential for safeguarding your assets, securing your family's future, and preserving your legacy. But currently, only around 20% of people actually take time to make a plan.
Estate planning is important for a variety of reasons, but more than anything else, it's control and certainty. That lack of knowledge or exposure to estate planning is the big reason why our probate courts are flooded with cases where you have incapacitated individuals or those who have passed and have not planned out to avoid the courts.
The probate process really starts all by what's called the appointment of the personal representative. You have to have court direction and court appointment in order to handle your own parents', children's, or your siblings' assets.
It's not time efficient. It's costly, that being attorney fees, court costs, other expenses. Instead of looking at probate as what to avoid, it's what can really be accomplished by estate planning in terms of getting the right people in place, accomplishing a client's goals, and ultimately making everything orderly.
Estate planning is for everyone. It doesn't matter how much money you have, how many assets you have. Everyone has to deal with the end-of-life care, end-of-life planning. Not only does it help smooth over the process for your children and your heirs, but it also brings a peace of mind as well, knowing exactly what's going to happen at the end of the day.
Bruckner Spittler Scheltz is a law firm that provides comprehensive estate planning services for anyone who has assets they want to protect, from individuals to entire generations of families.
We cover estate planning administration, real estate and business matters, as well as all offshoots of transactional litigation, employment matters that come therein.
Our typical estate plan not only includes either a trust and a will or just a will, but they also come with your powers of attorney. That is the financial power of attorney that allows your spouse or another individual to manage your affairs in the event that you're legally incapacitated. All of your deeds to place your houses and your real property into the trust, to making sure that all of your businesses avoid that probate as well, getting the assignments over to your trust, making sure that all of the overall assets avoid that probate process and are tied to that estate plan that we engage with you.
Estate planning documents are living, breathing documents. Your assets are going to change, laws are going to change. You need to have someone keeping an eye out for you on those changes, either informing you when they're coming or setting a routine review period to make sure that everything stays up to date. One of the more underrated set of documents that clients don't realize is so critically important are powers of attorney. Without having those powers of attorney in place, there is no automatic decision-making authority for any other person on your behalf. Many hearings, ongoing reporting to the court, those powers of attorney can eliminate that lengthy and expensive process as well as the ongoing reporting.
If you're not thinking about estate planning, you should be. The dedicated team of experienced attorneys can create a customized, strategic plan for you and your family.
The value in utilizing an estate planning attorney is customization and making sure that not only is the document accurate in terms of spelling out your wishes, but also that your intentions in using it make sense.
You sit down with us, free consultation, and that's our entire job, is getting an idea of what assets you have, your goals, your family, your dynamics, your inner workings of your family, see what your options are, because there are numerous options, and really tailor an estate plan for you.
You can pay a lot of money for a really nice trust, but you're missing the big value if you don't stay on top of the terms and, importantly, stay on top of the funding. If we don't stay on top of assets tying into the trust, we still end up with the probate court process. Well-rounded plans should make sure not only that the trust is set up correctly, but the assets are funded or the clients have direction on how to do that. Then we stay on top of it over time.
Situations change and needs change, but one thing stays the same. If you don't plan for the future, it will affect you, your assets, your family, and so much more.
Most of my clients come from existing clients. Reason being, the process is efficient, the instructions are clear. Not only do they have tailor-made documents, but they also understand how to use them in the practical application of those documents. And that's why our clients continually refer us, and we've been able to build out our practice from within.
For more information on estate planning with Bruckner Spittler Scheltz PLC, visit their website, bss.law, or you can see this segment again on thebalancingact.com.